Here we are in my neighborhood walking the dog who loves to torture cicadas. Anything that moves, she likes to eat it and kill it, but not necessarily consume it. Anyway, I'm making this video just in case you can hear the cicadas, so I'll be quiet for a second. That Martian-like sound is cicadas mating in the trees. And their survival theory is huge numbers. The vast majority of them get killed, but some small percentage live and mate and produce the next generation. It's really amazing. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video.